Hey YouTube, this is Nick Hallworth, also known as ApeFalcon, and this is my bike check for November 2011. First off, I bought this bike from Pro-Velo Cycle Sport, which is a awesome bike shop, and it's a really good bike shop. And I bought it stock. It's a 2011 stolen score. So let's get started. Up top I have the stolen big boy bars, 8 1/4 rise, 27 width. And I have the ODI long neck ST grips in black with the Kink Bike Co Drive plastic barons in lime green. Stolen convict stem with a Vortex fork cap, the stolen Vortex fork cap. Then I have stolen Vortex OE forks, Tioga FS100 tires, stolen revolver rims, front and back, dice valve caps, front and back, stolen Score 2011 frame, 20.75 top tube, stolen Mob cranks, Odyssey twisted PC pedals, stolen bomb bracket, stolen Eternity ring, 25-2 sprocket with a stolen chain. It's a half link. G-Sport hub guard, demolition DFAT pivotal with a stolen Thermalite pivotal seat post and a stolen seat clamp. Primo drive side hub guard, Tioga FS100 tires, and the revolver rim and wheel set, just like up front. And that's my bike. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.